Dear students, here we are teaching Maths 1B Locus lesson which carries 4 marks. We are going to get one 4 marks question from Locus in our final Maths 1B examination. Okay, this comes under question number 11th of your paper. This is a short answer question. Very easy and comfortable short answer question. Here I am giving you very few important questions for Locus. Here is the question. First question, A 5 comma 3 and B 3 comma minus 2 are two fixed points. They are two fixed points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 9 square units. Okay. Whenever they'll ask you any question from locus, you have to start the solution with by taking, you have to mention this line always, that is, let Px comma y be any point in the locus. Any point in the locus. If you mention this line, 100% they'll give you 1 mark for writing this as locus. So always try to remember, try to mention this line. This line must be there in every answer from locus. Okay. Here, let Px comma y be any point in the locus. Now again we'll read the question. Here they gave you 2 points and find the equation of locus of P. You have to find an equation in terms of x and y. Okay, so that in that equation represent area of triangle PAB is 9 square units they have given you. So here you have to take a triangle whose area is 9 square units. Here these are 2 points. They gave you A1 point as A 5 comma 3, B 3 comma minus 2. They gave you 2 points and you are taking one more point Px comma y. Okay, Px comma y be any point in locus such that area of triangle PAB is 9 square units. Do you know what is the formula for area? Area formula you must remember. Given area of triangle PAB, area of triangle PAB is equal to 9 square units. What is formula for area? Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is a formula for area. How to remember this formula? I'll give you a hint here. Listen carefully. Generally, they'll give you 3 points. No, you have to mention them as first point as x1 y1, second point x2 y2, third point x3 y3. Directly, easily we can substitute. But how to remember the formula? That is the main key thing. So listen carefully. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1 after 2, 2 after 3. If the question starts with 1 after 2, 2 after 3. x1 into y2 minus y3. Is it clear for everyone? So here outside the bracket we got x1, here x2, here x3. So x1 when we'll take, next one is 2 and 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 in order we are taking 1, 2, 3 means after 1 you are taking 2, 3. Okay. If you start with 2, what happens? If you are starting with 2, next one is 3, next one is 1. Correct or not? After 2 you are getting 3. After 3 you are getting 1. Okay. 2, 3, 1. Here we got 2, 3, 1. Okay. If you start the problem with 3, what happens? 3, 1, 2. Always remember 1, 2, 3. Take in cyclic order. After 1 you are taking 2, 3. After 2 you are taking 3, 1. After 3 you are taking 1, 2. Like this you are taking 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. You can remember easily the formula. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. Okay, now we are just substituting the values. Half mod. What is x1? What is x1? 5. What is x2? 3. What is x3? X. Always you have to take from the triangle, you are taking x1, that is 5 into y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 2 minus y plus x2. x2 value is 3. From the figure you can see it. Into y3 minus y1, that is y minus 3 plus x3. What is x3? x3 value is x into y1 minus y2, that is 3 minus y2. Minus y2 means already plus y2 is minus 2 here. Okay, y2 is minus 2. So what is minus y2? It will become minus of minus 2 will be plus 2. So here I am writing plus 2 is equal to 9. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Now half mod, again I am writing the same step, half mod 5 into minus 2 minus y, okay, plus 3 into y minus 3 plus x into 3 plus 2. Here I got like this. This is 9 square units. Now I can take this 2 to this side. This will become 2 9s are 18. Okay. The remaining only I am writing the value which is inside the modulus. 5 into minus 2. So I am multiplying 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 5y. I am writing like this, minus 10 minus 5y plus 3y minus 9 plus 3x plus 2x is equal to this 2 we took to the left side, right side. So from left side we have taken the 2 to the right side. So it will become 2 into 9. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Now all of you observe how many x terms are there in modulus symbol. There are 3x plus 2x. That value will be modulus of 5x. Now observe the terms of y. What are the terms of y? Here we can see minus 5y plus 3y. Minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2y. Okay, if you see the numbers what are there in modulus sign. Here we have minus 10. Here the value is minus 9. Minus 10 minus 9 will be minus 19. Here the value is minus 19 is equal to 2 9s are 18 we got. Okay, we wrote the values. If I want to remove the modulus, what I should write? 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus or minus 18 will get. Correct or not? Means directly we can do squaring on both sides, or we can do two cases with plus 18 and minus 18. We can take two cases. That will be very much comfortable to us. If I take 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus 18, or 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to minus 18. Here I am considering two cases. Okay. So here 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus 18. In this case, just simply we are writing this minus and 19 to the right side. What happens? This will become 5x minus 2y is equal to 18 plus 19. Correct? So 5x minus 2y is equal to 29, 37. So this is 5x minus 2y minus 37 is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly for the next one, here this is 5x minus 2y minus 19 is there. If you can take this to the right side, it will become plus 18 is equal to 0. So here the value will be 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Any doubt to anybody? This is very easy thing. Here also I am writing once again what we are getting here. This value is 5x minus 2y minus 19 is there. You took plus 18 from the right side to left side. What it will become? Minus 18. So 5x minus 2y minus 37 is equal to 0. We got two equations. Now you have to give the answer in combined form. What is that combined form? Therefore, required equation of locus is product of these two. Locus is 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. If you write the product, then only they'll give you 1 mark. Otherwise, they'll cut 1 mark here. So you need to write this also. Listen carefully. By first we have written, let px comma y be any point in the locus. For that they are giving you 1 mark. Okay. After writing the formula here, we have substituted the value. Here again they'll give you 1 more mark. For substitution they'll give you 1 more mark. Okay. After calculation, by showing this as plus or minus 18, they'll give you 1 mark. So after simplification, you are getting again 1 more mark. This is the way you need to complete the problem. This is the way you need to complete the problem. Okay, thank you. Now I am going to teach you second problem. Here see, this is a second problem. What is given here? A1 comma 2, B2 comma minus 3 and C minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. They are 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Okay, show that equation of locus of P is this. Means you have to get the answer like this. What is the answer for this sum? 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of locus of P. Means answer we must get it as 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. For this, how we'll start the problem? As I said already, we have to start the problem by taking let Px comma y be any point in the locus. Be any point in the locus. We wrote it as be any point in the locus. Given, what is given? Given points are, what are given points? A1 comma 2, B2 comma minus 3 and C they gave minus 2 comma 3. Okay. Also given, what is given also? Also given the condition they gave us. What is the condition they gave? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Also given PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. All of you observe, what is the formula for distance? Everybody knows PA, distance formula we have to use. Distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula which we are applying here. PA, P to A distance, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square you need to write, correct or not? So, distance formula only I am applying. Root of x minus 1, P point is x, A point is 1, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. This is actually PA. Here they gave us PA square. So, I am doing squaring here. Okay, PB also. What are P and B points? Here these are the points we have to consider. X minus 2 whole square, y plus 3 whole square. I am writing it. X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 times of PC again. What is P? What is C? Again see the values. This is P and C. Okay, x minus 2, x minus of minus 2, x plus 2 whole square. All of you observe this. X minus of minus 2, x plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square. I am writing here. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now all of you observe this. Square and square root will get cancelled. Correct or not? This square and square root will get cancelled. So no need to cancel like this. But you know the things. You have to remember square and square root will get cancelled. Now what we are left with? Directly we got x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 times of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. You are remembering this. That's it. Okay. You need to remember this and you have to copy in the same. I am copying in the same thing I am copying in the next page. Okay. So I got like this. Here all of you observe. What is x minus 1 whole square? You know the formula for a minus b whole square as a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? We'll write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Try to remember these two formulas only here. First I am applying the condition for x minus 1 whole square. This is in the formula of a minus b whole square. So if I apply, what happens? A square means x square plus b square 1 square minus 2 into a means x, b means 1. Okay. I wrote it like this. Now again the second one, for what I am applying y minus 2 whole square. Again that is also in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab only. So I'll get what I'll get plus y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2. Okay. Here also I got y minus 2 whole square. Next term. What is next term? Next term is I am taking again x minus 2 whole square here. What is x minus 2 whole square? X square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2. A square plus b square minus 2ab term I took. Okay. Next one is y plus 3 whole square. This is in the form of y plus b whole square means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So y plus 3 whole square, y square. Okay. What is that? Y square plus 3 square plus 2 into y into 3 I got. This is fine. Now 2 times of the value which is inside the square root. Again we are considering right side part. What is right side part? This is right side part we are considering. So if I expand that, what happens? X plus 2 whole square, that is x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2. Next one, y minus 3 whole square, y square plus 3 square minus 2 into y into 3. Like this you need to write. After that, just expansion, x square means x square, 1 square means 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y plus x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 2 times of x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. This is what we got. What will be the next step? All of you carefully. X square and this is again x square. Try to remember all the steps clearly. This is x square and this is x square. So it will become 2x square. Okay. Next, y square terms we'll see. This is 1 y square. This is 1 y square. So we can write 2y square here. Okay. Next, after writing 2y square, we are left with what x terms we are taking. X terms means minus 2x minus 4x. It will be minus 6x I am writing. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6x. Next, y terms I am checking. What are y terms? What are y terms here? Minus 4y and here it is 6y. Minus 4y plus 6y will be plus 2y. Will be plus 2y. Now all of you check the numbers what we are left with. We are left with the number plus 1, plus 4, plus 5, plus 5 plus 4, plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is the number we got on the left side. Now for the right side values just only will multiply. Just only will multiply. So what happens? 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 4s are 8 plus 2 4s are 8x plus 2y square plus 2 9s are 18 minus 2 6 are 12y we got. Okay. If I see both sides, what's happening? All of you observe clearly. This is 2x square, this is 2x square. Both will get cancelled. Why? Because if you write 2x square this side, this 2x square minus 2x square that one. So both will get cancelled. That's why I'm cancelling now. 2x square will get cancelled. 2y square will get cancelled. The remaining terms I'm writing on the left side. What they'll become? Minus 6x plus 2y plus 18 minus 8 minus 8x minus 18 plus 12y is equal to 0. Now what I can cancel? I can cancel minus 18 and plus 18. Now I have to finish the problem with few steps. What we are left with? Minus 6x minus 8x. What it will be? Minus 6 minus 8 minus 14x I got. Minus 14x I got. Next, y terms plus 2y plus 12y. It will be 14y plus 14y. Numbers if I consider, this is minus 8. I got it as minus 8. Okay. Minus 8. So I got it as minus 8. I am writing here. So if I take minus 2 common, what happens? This will be 7x. This will be minus 7y. This will be plus 4 is equal to 0. Check it. Minus 14 plus 14 minus 8. You got it clearly? So minus 2 we can take to the right side and can remove it. So it will become 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the required equation of locus. Is the required equation of locus. You must mention this sentence. Okay. Then we'll get 4 marks here. So all of you, what we have done, let px comma y be any point in the locus we wrote. For that we'll get 1 mark. And for substitution, we'll get 1 mark. And for simplifications, okay, for simplifications like this, we'll get 1 mark. And after completion of the problem, we'll get 1 more mark. Total 4 marks problem. This is very, very important. Thank you. Now I'm going to start next problem. What is my third problem? Find the equation of locus of P. Again they are asking you equation of locus of P. How will start the problem? Let px comma y be any point in the locus. If you write this sentence, if you know it also, if you don't know also, if you write the sentence, they'll give you 1 mark. Let px comma y be any point in the locus. So you are writing this sentence always for every problem. 11th problem you are writing this sentence. Let px comma y be any point in the locus. So that we are getting 1 mark here. Surely we are getting. That's why this time I am highlighting also this point. So try to remember this. Let px comma y be any point in the locus. Now read the question now. Find the equation of locus of P if the ratio of distances from P to these 2 points is 2:3. Okay. What are the given points? They gave us 2 points. Let me take this as A, this as B. Given A point as 5 comma 4 minus 4 and B point as 7 comma 6. Now what is given? Once again we'll read the last sentence. They have given us the ratio of the distances from P to these points. Ante P to this point and P to this point means P to A and P to B. The ratio of distances. Distance is PA. Ratio PA and PB are distances. Ratio means just you have to put this symbol. PA is to PB is 2:3 according to the question. All of you try to read the sentences perfectly. So here given. What is given? Ratio of distances from P to A and B. PA is to PB is 2:3. What is the meaning of ratio? That is PA by PB is equal to 2/3. 3 times of PA is equal to 2 times of PB. What I did just only cross multiplication. I did cross multiplication. So I got 3 times of PA is equal to 2 times of PB. 3 times of PA distance formula. Again will apply distance formula. What is distance formula? Just now I said root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or you can directly take the value as x1 minus x2 whole square also. Why? Because square is there. Whatever the first term, it will get the same answer. So x1 minus x2, that is x minus 5. Here y plus 4. Okay. So what I am writing? X minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus 4. Try to remember this is equal to 2 times of square root of PB. P to B. X minus 7, y minus 6. Okay. X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. To remove the square root, what we can do? We are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides we are doing. So if I remove the square root, automatically, if I do squaring, automatically square root will be removed. This will become 3 square means 9. This will become 2 square means 4. Here and here the square roots will get cancelled. So what I am getting? 9 times of 3 square is 9. 9 times of what is inside that? Square root x minus 5 whole square y plus 4 whole square. X minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square I got is equal to right side 2 square I did. So I got 4. 4 times of x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square I got. So 9 times of, again I am applying the formula for first term. Here I am applying a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square? X square plus 5 square minus 2 into x into 5. Okay. Next, for the second one, what formula I am applying? For this, a plus b whole square, that is, I am writing it as y plus 4 whole square, y square plus 4 square plus 2 into y into 4 I am writing. Okay. Now is equal to what we are left with is equal to 4 times of what is there. Here the term is x minus 7 whole square. This is x minus 7 whole square. Again a minus b whole square. X square plus 7 square minus 2 into x into 7. Next term. What is the next term? That is y minus 6 whole square. Y minus 6 whole square means a minus b whole square. Y square plus 6 square minus 2 into y into 6 we got. Okay, just if I simplify this, what I am getting? This is 9 times of x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square. 4 square means 16. 2 into y into 4, that is 8y. That is equal to 4 into x square plus 7 square means 49 minus 14x plus y square. 6 square means 36 minus 12y. Okay, 9 into x square, 9x square, 9 25s, 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22, 225. Okay, minus 9tx plus 9y square plus 9 6 are 54, 144, 9 8s are 72y is equal to 4x square, 196, 56x plus 4y square plus 436s, 144 minus 4 12s are 48y. So now I am taking all terms to the left side. It will become 9x square plus 9y square. I am writing 9x square, 9y square. Next 90x, 72y minus 90x plus 72y. Now the numbers we are adding here. What are the numbers? 225 plus 144, or directly write as it is, plus 225 plus 144. Okay. Now right side terms we are taking to the left side. That will become first term 4x square. Here I can take minus 4x square, 4y square minus 4y square, minus 56. If to the left side it will become plus 56x, minus 48y, it will become plus 48y. Numbers minus 196 minus 144 is equal to 0. Now what we can cancel and how to simplify, all of you carefully. 9x square minus 4x square. So it will become 5x square. Okay, I am writing here 5x square. Next y square terms we are checking. What are y square terms? 9y square minus 4y square. It will be 5y square. 5x square plus 5y square. Next, x terms we are checking. What are x terms we are observing here? Minus 90x plus 56x will be 34x minus 34x. It will be minus 34x. Okay. Next, 72y we are able to see. What is that next one? 72y plus 48y. 120y. This is plus 120y. Next, numbers. If I see 144 minus 144 plus 144 will get cancelled. So 225 minus 196 we are left with. Okay. So what is the answer? 29. This is plus 29. We got plus 29 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Is the required equation of locus. Is the required equation of locus is the answer for this sum. So if you get this answer, you will get 1 mark. For writing locus step, you will get 1 mark. And for substitution and simplifying, here 1 mark. And for cancellations and all, here 1 mark. So like this, you will get marks. Thank you. Now I am teaching you next problem. Fourth problem, first bit. Here the question is, find the equation of locus of P if A 2, 3, B 2, minus 3 and mod PA plus PB is equal to 8. Always, as I said, what we are starting with? Let. Px comma y be any point in the locus, any point in the locus we wrote, given A point as 2, 3 and B point as 2 comma minus 3, also given PA plus PB is equal to 8. Listen carefully. If you do squaring on both sides, why? Because in distance formula we are getting square roots. If we don't want that square roots, automatically we have to do squaring on both sides. If I do directly squaring on both sides, PA square distance formula square root will be removed. PB square distance formula square root will be removed. But you are getting a bigger term 2 times of PA into PB. This is tough thing to calculate. That's why for such problems, whenever they'll give PA and PB as a sum or difference, immediately what you have to do is PA can be written as 8 minus PB. Okay, this is a must and should step. You must remember here. After getting this, you do squaring on both sides. What happens squaring on both sides means? Squaring on both sides. So it will become PA square. Right side A minus B whole square formula 8 square plus PB square minus 2 into 8 into PB. Correct? PA square in distance formula square root will be removed. Directly we can write values x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Directly we can write. Now what I am doing after simplifying, so PA, P to A distance. What is P to A distance? You have to remember x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Square root is already removed. So PA square is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 64. PB square. Again see what is P, what is B. X minus 2 whole square, y plus 3 whole square. This is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. But don't substitute the formula for PB. Why? Because PB means we'll get answer in terms of square root. So that's why minus 16 PB we have left it. Now x minus 2 whole square, that will become x square minus 4x plus 4. Already I have told you number of times what I am applying. So easily you can solve it. Y square minus 6y plus 9. Now that is equal to 64 plus x square minus 4x plus 4, because that is x minus 2 whole square. Next y plus 3 whole square, that is y square plus 6y plus 9. Okay, now we got minus 16 PB here. Now what I can cancel? Clearly I can cancel x square and x square. I can cancel y square and y square. Now plus 9 and minus 9 also I can cancel. This is plus 9. This is also plus 9. If you take to the left side, it will become minus 9. So similarly, plus 4 minus, if you take to the left side, it will become minus 4. So both will get cancelled. Now whatever the numbers we are left, all of you carefully observe, minus 4x minus 6y on the left side. If you take numbers to the left side from right side, what happened? This 64, you can write minus 64. This minus 4x, it will become plus 4x. Plus 6y, it will become minus 6y is equal to minus 16 PB. Okay. So 4x also gone. So we are left with minus 6y minus 12y minus 64 is equal to minus 16 PB. Now what I can do? I can take minus 4 common. So it will become 3y. 3 4s are 12. 16 means 16 4s are 64. Okay. Here also minus 4 common. It will become 4 PB. So minus 4 gone. So you are left with 3y plus 16 is equal to 4 PB. Again for PB, squaring on both sides we are doing. Squaring on both sides, what we are getting? You are getting like 3y plus 16 whole square is equal to 4 square is 16. PB square we are getting. PB square means square root and square root will go on. Square root and square will get cancelled. So directly we can write here 3y plus 16 whole square means 3y whole square plus 16 whole square plus 2 times of 3y into 16 we got. Here 16 into PB square. Again observe, what we have done, pb square. Here already we have done pb square. This is pb square only, x minus 2 whole square y plus 3 whole square. This is x minus 2 whole square y plus 3 whole square. Try to remember. Here I am writing x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. Okay, 9y square plus 256 plus 96y is equal to 16x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 6xy plus 9. Okay, in the next page we are simplifying the calculation. We are finally finishing the problem. 9y square plus 256 plus 9 plus 96y is equal to 16 times of x square, 16x square. Okay, 16 fours are 64x minus 64x. 16 fours are 64. 16 fours are 64. 16 into y square plus 16 6 are 96y. 16 6 are 96y. 16 9s are 144. We got like this. Now I want to take all terms to the right side because 16x square is right side. So I'll take all terms to the right side. It will become 16x square. I'm writing all right side terms. Minus 64x plus 64 plus 16y square plus 96y plus 144. If I take left side terms to the right side, it will become minus 9y square minus 256 minus 96y is equal to 0. What I can cancel? Carefully, plus 96y minus 96y. So 16x square, only single term is there, 16x square. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 will be 7y square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 64x. Now what we are left with? Numbers. We are left with numbers only. 64 plus 144, that is 208. 208 plus 208 minus 256. So it will be 48. It will be 48. So we are writing that 48 here. Plus 48 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of locus. It's the required equation of locus. Okay, now we are doing next problem. What is next problem? Find the equation of locus of P if A 40, B minus 40 and mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. So here what is given? You have to start the problem with let Px comma y be any point in the locus. Be any point in the locus. Let A is 4 comma 0, B is minus 4 comma 0. Given mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. So if I want to remove modulus, what happens? PA minus PB, I can write it as plus or minus 4. So PA can be written as plus or minus 4 plus PB. Now what I am doing is squaring on both sides. What is squaring on both sides? PA square. Here I am taking this as A and this as B. A square plus or minus 4 square, B square, PB square plus 2 times of A, B. Okay, A square plus B square plus 2AB formula I have applied. So this is PA square. Plus square or minus square, it will become plus 16 plus PB square plus or minus 8PB. Now I'll substitute the values of PA square and PB square. So PA, PB, P to A, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. PA square means x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 16 plus PB square. See what is P, what is B? X plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. X plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Here I got Next one is plus or minus 8 pb. I wrote it as it is. Okay, x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square is equal to 16 plus x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus or minus 8 pb. What we can cancel? We can cancel both x square terms and y square terms, and 16 also we can cancel. Now what we are left with? You are left with minus 8x on the left side, and right side terms, if you take left side, what happens? Minus 16 minus 8x is equal to plus or minus 8 pb. So minus 16x minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 8 pb. From this I can take minus 8 common, so I am left with 2x plus 2. Here by taking 8 common, I will get plus or minus pb. 8 gone. Now squaring on both sides. What happens if I do squaring on both sides? Minus will be under square, 2x plus 2 will be square. Plus or minus square, pb square. Minus square means plus only. A plus b whole square, 4x square plus 4 plus 2 times of 2x into 2. Okay, plus square or minus square, it will be plus only. Pb square, again you have to check what is pb square. X plus 4 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. X plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So you got 4x square plus 4 plus 8x here. If you take x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square. Okay, 8x gone. 4x square plus 4 minus x square minus 16x minus 16 minus y square is equal to 0. 4x square minus x square, 3x square minus y square minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Is the required equation of locus. Will write required equation of locus. Okay, like this you need to solve this problem. Next, last problem I am teaching you now. What is that? Find the equation of locus of third vertex of a right angle triangle. What is given? Third vertex of a right angle triangle. So you need to take a right angle triangle. Okay, here you need to find locus of third vertex of right angle triangle. The ends of whose hypotenuse? What is hypotenuse? This is hypotenuse. The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Ends of hypotenuse are 0, 6, 6, 0. 0, 6, 6, 0. So third vertex, this is P you need to find. Let P x, y. This is okay, A, this is B. Where triangle PAB is right angle triangle. You have to start the problem by taking let P x, y be any point in the locus. In the locus. Given triangle PAB is right angle. They only gave in the question right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, what formula we know? We know that side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. This is what Pythagorean theorem. PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. PA square, distance from P to A, square. Distance means square root. Square root will go on now. Squaring. After doing squaring, square root will go on. So I got x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. PB square, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to AB square. 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. Like this I got. Now I just want to simplify. This is x square plus y square plus 6 square minus 2 into y into 6 plus x square plus 6 square minus 2 into x into 6 plus y square is equal to minus 6 whole square plus 6 whole square. Okay, x square plus x square, it will be 2x square, y square plus y square, it will be 2y square. Okay, minus 12x minus 12y, minus 12x minus 12y. Now listen carefully, plus 6 square, this is also plus 6 square only. After doing squaring, you'll get plus 6 square only. This is also 6 square, everything got cancelled. So numbers gone. So this is the value. So if I divide, I can take 2 common here. So dividing by 2, what I'll get? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0 is the required equation of locus. Is the required equation of locus. In similar manner, we can solve all problems of locus. It is very comfortable topic. Easily you will get 4 marks. So 11th question of your question paper will be from locus. Try to practice all these questions, and the questions from Telugu Academy also you need to solve, so that easily you can score good marks.